What's up YouTube and welcome to the channel. If you haven't been here before, take a minute, get down there, click subscribe. If you enjoy car tips, tricks, hacks, and diesel truck builds, right there are my two vehicles, a 2016 Volkswagen Jetta and a 2017 Ram 2500 with the Cummins turbo diesel 6-speed manual. Anyway, today we have something in this box. We have the Vantrue OnDash N2 Pro dash cam. Now you guys seen all those videos with the semi trucks that like run off the road, and the cars and the people in traffic that don't know what they're doing. The compilations all over YouTube, and most of those are, you know, captured either overseas or people that actually have dash cams here in the States, but most of them are overseas, and I'm wondering if that's like a standard thing over there. It intrigues me because a lot of people have it and it captures everything. So we got our hands on a Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam. This is one of Amazon's best sellers. I do almost all my shopping on Amazon, but this is one of Amazon's best sellers, Amazon choice. So we're gonna give it a shot. If you're interested in this at any point of the video, link will be at the top of the description. You already know. We're gonna dig into this and see how she works. Right off the bat, I can tell you the packaging is very nice. Very firm. Plastic wrap is nice. So I'm one for packaging, and it's got good packaging already. Very nice sleeve. Quick start guide, follow us, little thank you card, user manual, and wow, is this thing small. This thing is small. It's got a front and rear facing camera. It's smaller than the Magic Mouse. That's incredible. Suction cup mount, USB, and your USB extension to connect to your 12-volt outlet. Yes, not only is the sun setting, but if you're new to the channel, this is 5% tint all the way around, 20% on the back, so yeah, it's still pretty light out. But we're in the car now. We have the dash cam, the mount. I already put my micro SD card in here. It goes behind this flap, which is actually pretty cool, because if you look at this mount, I was like looking at this, I saw the metal tips on this, and I was like, what is that for? And then I realized that the USB cord goes into the mount through here, which is honestly amazing, because when you plug this into here, it takes right here and it's gonna slip in. And you have your dash cam, the cord is at the top. So this will be against my window, but I can easily run the cord up, down, and around and out of the way. This mount is super easy. All you do is rotate it as well, so that's super cool. So if I was actually going to sit here and install it and run the cord all the way down the way I want to right now, it would be pitch black outside. Not that, I mean, it already got darker in here, but it'd be so dark outside, you wouldn't be able to see anything. So we're going to hook this up. I'm just going to run the cord down for now. So it won't be the cleanest install, but at least it'll be running while the daylight's still out. And then after the video, on my own time, I'll sit there and I will run the cord, make it all nice and neat, so I can permanently install it. I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna hardwire this to the car. Thing I found cool is if you do keep this USB port, so that's pretty cool in the charger here. And we're gonna stick this to the window, just like that. So like I said, on my own time, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna run it up through the plastic around here, behind the headliner, down behind the dash here, and I will hardwire it down there. But for now, we're gonna take our extremely long cord, plug it into this accessory port, turn the accessory on, running, and the cam is running, front and rear, matter of fact, and we're recording. So that's pretty cool in itself. Obviously, I'm gonna get the footage off this, but let's go for a ride. I mean, we're recording. I guess we're recording front and back, so that's pretty cool. I mean, you'll see this in the video, but let's go for a ride. We'll get some test footage and we'll get this puppy working. So I hope you guys enjoyed those clips of driving around. As you can see, the quality of the video this dash cam produces. So if this is, you know, a dash cam that you're interested in, as I said, the link is in the top of the description below. There's so many features on this camera. I'm getting into now reasons why you should have one and reasons why I decided, you know, to get my hands on one. The first thing is, if you happen to get in an accident, you have a record of it. So, you know, just say you're driving down the road, somebody pulls out when they're not supposed to. There's no way of proving it if there's no footage. So if the dash cam's rolling, you have visual proof of what just happened. Another reason is getting out of a traffic ticket. So just say you get pulled over for going 82, you know, in a 60 or 82 in a 65, and you're like, officer, I was going 68 in a 65, not 82. You have proof. You say, here's the dash cam. You can show them that there's a possibility you can get out of a ticket if you prove that it honestly was not you. And if not, you can always take that footage to court and, you know, fight your ticket with that. If you're a parent and you have you know, a kid that's just starting out driving and there's a dash cam in there, you can always review the footage and you know, see how they're doing on the road, see their driving habits. You know, it's a good tool to, you know, inspect their driving. It's a good way to have eyes when you're not there. Another reason you can do it is if you have the dash cam running when, you know, the vehicle's off. If you have it hooked up to, you know, a constant power, the dash cam's always running, you'll have your eye on your vehicle that's unattended. So you just say you're sitting there and, you know, you're parked somewhere and, you know, someone hits your car or somebody hits the car next to you, you have footage of that. You know, you could help someone out, you could help yourself out and be like, even if you don't find it, the person, you can give it to your insurance company. You know, they'll help you out and just, you could show them exactly what happened. Again, with the insurance company, some insurance companies can give you a huge discount just for having the dash cam, because they know you will have proof of anything that does in fact happen to your car. You have proof, so insurance companies can give you a huge discount. If you guys are interested in getting a dash cam, there's a multitude and many reasons of why you should get one. Like I said, this one I have, Amazon's best choice, pretty much a 5-star rating on Amazon. Link is in the top of the description if you are interested in this one. Like I said, front and rear facing, so, you know, something happens behind you, something happens in the cab, stuff like that. Or, you know, obviously the forward 1080p, it actually shoots 2.5K, so better than 1080p footage. And you saw the footage for yourself. So if you guys are interested in this camera, link is in the top of the description. Check it out. It's a little more on the pricey side, but it's a great quality camera, as you guys could tell, and I have come to find out myself. So I'm gonna get this thing hardwired in my car in the next few days here, but it is definitely here to stay. So I'm gonna thank you guys for watching. If you haven't been here before, take take a moment, get down there, subscribe. If you enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys are interested in a dash cam or you have any dash cam stories, put them in the comments below. I'm very interested. This truck, the build, pretty much I'm waiting for my badging to come in. I'm missing 3 badges. Once they come in, that's kind of step 1, and once step 1 is done, surprise step 2 can be done, so surprise step 3 can be done. And then after that, the truck can be lifted and the wheels and tires can go on. It's kind of a process, so I'm waiting on the badging, and then the whole build goes from there. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe, stay tuned, because we're gonna have lots of videos coming. I got them all lined up pretty much, so thank you guys for watching. Take care, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.